Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on natural gas on September 13th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $2.379, and as you can see we were at this point, and I told you that we have to see its retracement that potentially might hit about $2.2 mark, and this should be the entry point with the price target of about $2.687. And guys, as you can see, this blueprint was made by me, as I already mentioned, on September 13th. And take a look right here. We were at this point, this is the actual price action of natural gas prices. We were at this point. We had first attempt to hit our accumulation point, we had a bounce, second attempt, and it pretty much hit this range. Then guys, take a look right here, we hit exactly golden pocket range, then we had a bounce, and eventually we even broke it to the upside. But nevertheless, we booked up to 23% of potential profit within just several days. And guys, this is another evidence how powerful technical analysis is. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And let's take a look on its price action again. Guys, I have to say that this asset broke its previous several ranges of resistances. We broke even this range, and it was the confluence with 0.786, and on a slightly bigger scale, guys, we broke, if I pull the FIBA retracement tool from this top to this bottom, we broke this range, and it is pretty much the last range of resistance on the path to break this or retest this swing high. And in my technical analysis in just several minutes, I will show you what should we expect next. But for now, let's take a look on its fundamentals. Why we have quite substantial movement of natural gas prices to the upside? First of all, guys, take a look on the oil prices. And you know that the crisis in the Middle East, let's call it this way, crisis on the Middle East around Israel and Iran, has a very high anticipation level of higher prices on oil and gas. And guys, take a look right here. We have this movement to the upside. The price of oil went up by more than 12% within just several days. And it is another catalyst for natural gas prices. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. We are on trading economics, and let me quote you the most recent update that is directly related to natural gas prices. US natural gas futures surged over 2%, topping $2.95 per MMBTU, a 3-month high, following a federal report showing smaller than expected storage injections and forecasts for higher demand. US utilities added only 55 BCF of gas to storage in the week ending September 27, below expectations of 57 BCF and far less than the 5-year average of 98 BCF. Reduced storage injections this year, particularly in July, August and September, reflect scaled back drilling activities after prices hit a multi-year low in March. Despite lower injections for 19 of the past 20 weeks, inventories remain 5.7% above normal due to a mild winter. Additionally, gas demand, including exports, is expected to rise from 95.3 BCFD to 95.7 BCFD next week per LSEG. So guys, we still have a lot of bullish news for natural gas prices, But if we switch again to the technical analysis, and before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Guys, we have to keep in mind that, let's first of all zoom out to 4 hours time frame. We have to keep in mind that in order to establish higher highs and higher lows, we already have a couple of higher lows, but we don't have the breakout above this major range. And when it happens, guys, we will be more bullish, and this will be a sign for the long-term holders of this asset to accumulate their position, because in this case, the next major range, let's switch to daily time frame, will be right here at $3.635 that was set about a year ago, at the very end of October of last year. And let's turn off all the tools. You can see that we have just a couple of swing highs on our path to break it. But at the same time, guys, if we take a look on indicators, you can see that RSI is at overbought territory on daily time frame. On top of that, we have a consistent bearish divergence on 4 hours time frame. We have lower highs on our side with the higher highs on the price section. 3 hours time frame, the same pattern. 2 hours time frame, the same pattern. 1 hour time frame, well, right here it is debatable because we are in neutral territory, and this bearish divergence was already unloaded somewhere at these ranges. That is why, guys, we might see not the highest spike in its price right before the retracement, that potentially might land somewhere lower. And guys, what is the closest range of resistance? Let me show you that it is right here at its previous swing high, and it is at $3.2. We have not more than 5% till this range is retested. Then I think we might have a deeper retracement in order to collect more steam to break it to the upside. And I think it is another potential quite decent setup, and if this retest happens within next let's say 7 days, and then we might have a pullback, it will be a sign that you have to see lower retracement. And guys, definitely I will do an update, and I have to say that potentially the retracement should not land below $2.5. In my upcoming video I will explain my thoughts, because I have to confirm, first of all, I have to confirm my theory, and I have to make a proper Elliott wave breakdown of this wave. And then I will do another video and show you what should we expect next. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.